Very good morning. This is a presentation on the state of our world today, brought to you by Resonate International. The state of our world today is characterized by a delicate balance between progress and peril. The entire global community finds itself grappling with a variety of issues that shape our collective existence. As we navigate the complexities and uncertainties, the challenges before us are truly daunting. Addressing these requires visionary and strong leadership, collective action, innovative solutions, and a renewed commitment to solidarity and cooperation amongst nations. Building a sustainable future demands bold statesmanship and stewardship. It demands just and inclusive policies, and it demands a steadfast dedication to human dignity, education, healthcare, technological advancement, and environmental well-being. This can provide us a path forward towards a fair, equitable, and sustainable world to live in and thrive. This is what we need. But to fulfill this need, it is important that a true introspection is carried out at every level, and then a way forward is decided. Let's look at the possibilities and also the inferences. First is the political fragmentation and geopolitical tensions which grip the world today. The geopolitical landscape is marked by a complex interplay of power dynamics, old and new alliances, and rivalries. Lack of public faith and trust in the leadership, growing discontent and weakening democracies across the globe, disturbed world order, resurgence of nationalism and liberalism in some parts of the world. All this has strained international cooperation and multilateral institutions. Populist movements have capitalized on grievances over globalization, immigration, and economic insecurity, thus reshaping political discourses and policies in many countries. Growing geopolitical tensions and continuing conflicts led by territorial disputes, power struggles, simmering ideological rifts and religious intolerances, economic difficulties and inequalities, and arms races, etc., truly underscore the fragility of our global stability today, highlighting that dialogue, diplomacy, and empathy can only mend these rifts. Global institutions and agencies must stand refurbished and revitalized so as to take up the task at hand. A fresh perspective to come out of the time capsule is necessary for everyone. The second introspection point is the huge economic disparities and inequalities existing in the world today. Our global population is rising and growing at an unprecedented pace. This is straining resources, infrastructure, and social systems. The aging societies are grappling with healthcare costs while youth yearn for opportunities. Despite the overall rise in global prosperity, economic disparities remain stark and worrisome. The gap between the rich and the poor continues to widen within and between the nations. While some regions experience economic booms driven by technological advancements and innovations, others grapple with systemic poverty, lack of infrastructure, and limited access to education and healthcare. The concentration of wealth in the hands of a few has sparked debates about social justice and equitable distribution of resources, thus highlighting the need for inclusive economic policies and sustainable developmental practices. Education, healthcare, inclusive policies, and empowered youth can be the architects of renewal. The third introspective point is environmental sustainability. Our planet heaves today under the weight of climate change, rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and melting icebergs. All of this paint a grim picture and pose an existential threat to ecosystems and human societies alike. The very fabric of our ecosystems frays, threatening biodiversity and human survival. Though the Paris Agreement stands as a testament to international efforts to mitigate climate change, yet the progress has been slow, uneven, and often undermined by geopolitical tensions and competing national interests. A collective action by nations, businesses, and individuals can only mend this tear. Renewable energy, reforestation, and sustainable practices offer a lifeline. We must stitch together a greener future. The fourth perspective and introspection point is healthcare and public health challenges. Chronic diseases have been and continue to be some of the major causes of worldwide morbidity and mortality, resulting in huge economic cost and social distress. Individual lifestyles and behaviors and community factors play important roles in the development and management of chronic diseases. Many of these conditions are simply preventable, and their leading risk factors are simple to understand: physical inactivity, poor nutrition, tobacco use, and excessive alcohol consumption. Unfortunately, the investment in prevention remains small compared with the treatment, both from a lifestyle perspective and a social detriments of health perspective. Given the future trajectory of chronic diseases, innovation in technology and pharmaceuticals with a concomitant investment in prevention will be required. Our future depends on it. On the other hand, the COVID-19 pandemic has underscored the critical importance of healthcare systems, global health governance. The rapid spread of the virus exposed vulnerabilities in pandemic preparedness and response, revealing disparities in access to healthcare and vaccine distribution. The crisis also prompted unprecedented collaboration among scientists, healthcare professionals, and governments to develop the vaccine and treatments at an accelerated pace. This is a truly positive step and a strength. Yet, the pandemic also exposed existing health inequalities and strained healthcare infrastructure worldwide, thus highlighting the need for resilient healthcare systems and equitable access to healthcare services. The last perspective and introspection point is on technological advancement and ethical dilemmas. Advancements in technology have revolutionized every facet of human existence, from communication and healthcare to transportation and warfare. The proliferation of artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and robotics holds promise for solving pressing global challenges. Yet, it all raises profound ethical concerns regarding privacy, autonomy, and the equitable distribution of benefits. The digital age births a new menace: the proliferation of false narratives. Misinformation spreads like wildfire, undermining trust in institutions, science, and each other. Disinformation weaponizes falsehood, sowing discord and confusion. Media literacy, critical thinking, and fact checking are our shields. By nurturing an informed citizenry, we can quench the flames of deception and ward off the misconceptions being percolated. Responsible innovation, guided by ethical frameworks, can truly steer us towards progress without capsizing our humanity. With these introspection points, a fair and logical decision making must emerge at every level, in every nation, in every country, so that a collective action begins and the world becomes a better place. I wish for a safe, peaceful, and happy world order. Thank you, and God bless.